Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to stream movies on Plex. But before we begin, don't forget to check out our latest offer linked just below this video. Let's dive in. Watching movies on Plex is actually pretty straightforward. First, you'll want to open the Plex mobile app on your device. Once the app is open, you'll need to sign into your account. After you sign in, you should be greeted by the homepage interface. From here, you can browse through a variety of movies and TV shows to choose from. If you're looking for something specific, you can use the search bar located at the top right corner of the screen. For example, let's search for Bad Boys. After entering your search, the app will display results related to your query. For instance, let's select the Bad Boys movie from 1995. Once you click on it, you should see a play button. However, in some cases, you might not see the play button, meaning the movie isn't available for streaming at the moment. If this happens, don't worry, just look for another movie to watch. For example, let's try Dog Days instead. As you can see, this one has a play button, so we can click it and start watching. Keep in mind that while you can watch many movies on Plex, you may encounter some ads before the movie starts. These ads are normal and must be watched before you can enjoy the movie. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.